In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wix website fit all screens. If you're building your site in the Wix Classic editor, it's important to understand that it uses a fixed width layout. That means your content does not automatically behave the same way it would in a fully fluid editor. The good news is that Wix gives you simple tools to make your pages look clean and consistent across desktops, tablets, and mobile screens, as long as you use them correctly. The first thing to pay attention to is the grid lines. In the editor, you will see two dotted vertical lines on the page. These lines act as a safe area for your main content. Anything you place inside those dotted lines is much more likely to appear properly across all screen sizes, including desktop, tablet, and mobile. If text, buttons, images, or other elements are placed outside those lines, they may be cut off or displayed poorly on smaller screens. So, as you arrange your page, make it a habit to keep important content within that visible boundary. This small adjustment can prevent a lot of formatting issues later. Next, use stretched strips to help your design look better on larger monitors. Add a strip to your page, then click the stretch icon. From there, turn on the option to stretch to full width. This allows the strip background to expand smoothly across the entire screen, which is especially useful if someone is viewing your site on a wide desktop monitor. It creates a more polished, professional appearance without changing the safe placement of your content inside the grid lines. A helpful approach is to let the background stretch, while keeping your text and key design elements aligned neatly within the central content area. Another useful tool is columns. Inside your strips, divide the content into columns to organize things horizontally. This helps your layout stay structured and balanced instead of forcing multiple elements to compete for the same space. Using columns also makes the page adapt more gracefully across different screen sizes, rather than having content feel squished together. If you have sections with text beside images, features listed side by side, or multiple blocks of information, columns can make that arrangement much easier to manage and much more consistent visually. By respecting the grid lines, stretching strips to full width, and organizing content with columns, you can make your Wix website look much better on all screens while staying within the Classic Editor's design system. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.